farewell to one another. Novitskiy on the left, Pesquet in the middle, and Whitson on the right. They posed for final pictures, a final opportunity for some hugs and farewells, wishing Novitskiy and Pesquet a soft landing on the steppe of Kazakhstan. Again, this occurring just before 2:30 a.m. Central Time today, after which Novitskiy and Pesquet made their way into the hatchway of the Soyuz MS-03 spacecraft right behind them. And there you see a final inspection of that hatchway that was made by Fyodor Yurchikhin, the new station commander, as Novitskiy and Pesquet began the procedures to close the hatch, to conduct leak checks, to make sure that we have a tight seal at the docking interface between the Soyuz and the Rassvet Module at the Earth-facing port of the International Space Station's Russian segment. At 2:31 a.m. Central Time, the Soyuz hatch swung shut. Just about a minute later, the Rassvet Module hatch was closed, and the two crew members in the Soyuz, Novitskiy and Pesquet, began the work for their pre-undocking preparations.
We confirm that mechanical connection is no longer illuminated.
Standing by for physical separation.
And we confirm separation. We see that the message SSVP, or docking and internal transfer system mode, has been completed.
Over the border between Mongolia and China, the Soyuz MS-03 now has undocked from the International Space Station. Expedition 51 officially over. Expedition 52 has officially begun.
The timer is running. Copy. We're moving on to
undocking occurring right on time at 5:47 a.m. Central Time. Again, the undocking occurring on time as the International Space Station passed over the border between Mongolia and China.
Where is the bell to mark the departure? In 2 minutes, you're going to have the first burn. Copy and affirmative.
Novitskiy and Pesquet have begun the journey home. We'll be standing by for the first of two separation burns. This will be an automated 8-second burn of the Soyuz engines.
The image is very clear. That's right. It's on the camera. That's the V module. That's right. 30. Agreed.
Less than a minute away from the first of two separation burns that will increase the opening rate of the Soyuz from the International Space Station.
That's right.
This view now from the Soyuz as it backs away from the station through Russian ground stations.
Activation. Affirmative.
Pять секунд.
5 seconds. We confirm depot thrusters give full command.
The first of two separation burns now underway. Again, a quick 8-second burn that increases the opening rate of the Soyuz by 0.54 meters per second. And this first separation burn is complete and was reported to be good. The second of the two burns is about 1 minute and 20 seconds from now, and that'll be a slightly longer burn of 15 seconds in duration.
Going on nominally as well.
Есть прекращение разворота.
We confirm that the maneuver is complete. Copy. And we are turning.
Отработали 15 секунд.
15 seconds into the burn.
And the burn is complete. Everything went well with both of the separation burns for the Soyuz vehicle. It also has completed its maneuver as it moves further and further away from the International Space Station, undocking occurring just a few minutes ago at 5:47 a.m. Central Time. That the voice of an interpreter
Good luck to you guys.
reporting what Russian flight controllers are saying to the crew on board the Soyuz MS-03 that you see there, fading further and further away from view as it continues to separate from the International Space Station following its undocking 9 minutes ago.
No, I'm just saying, good luck, guys. Safe landing. This is Fyodor speaking. To you and to Tamar. Fyodor, thank you so much. We'll see you soon. See you on the ground. Well, let's just say your departure was just a beauty. That's good to know.
Standing by for the firing of the soft landing engines. Touchdown. The Soyuz is back on Earth with Oleg Novitskiy and Thomas Pesquet. Landing occurring at 9:10 a.m. Central Time, 10:10 a.m. Eastern Time, 8:10 p.m. at the landing site in Kazakhstan. And an excellent view of Oleg Novitskiy, the Soyuz commander, in the center seat of the descent module, handing flight documentation and systems books to the Energia recovery personnel. Thomas Pesquet is to his left, just out of the field of view at the moment. Oleg Novitskiy talking to Energia personnel at the landing site. The temperatures are summer-like, an on-target landing for the Soyuz MS-03.
Hold them tight. Okay, stop.